Hello boys and girls, day 138. Feel great, pumped, well rested. The running being one after the other, it makes quite a difference. I feel much better overall. I don't feel so tired all the time. To the question of running more so, today I will be running in the evening because it's a very busy day, and if by any chance I don't manage to fit in the run because it's going to be too late or whatever, I'm going to do the run tomorrow. So we're going to have Sunday and Monday, but nevertheless, it's going to be one day after the other, which also the system with the running once every 2 days adds a lot of flexibility in case of situations like today where I might not have the 20, 25, 30 minutes to do the run. On to the exercises. And we're finished for the day. I feel great. I feel that the workouts, I feel them more. So I'm not saying they're harder, but I feel them more afterwards. I don't know, maybe I'm doing them better because I have more energy because of the splitting the run once in 2 days. Don't know, but they do feel harder. I like it. Don't know what to add. Trained yesterday, train today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!